Here's the Hustler Raptor, and this is the busted deck lift rod. Broke right there. Stress fracture right at where it passes into the front, I'm not sure what you call it, but the front support. And the whole deck drops to the ground while I was mowing. It didn't even hit anything, it just fractured. So I don't feel like spending the 50 bucks. I think I can fab up a homemade fix on this. Show you in just a second. I've got a length of stainless pipe, a piece of stainless bolt here with threads, just a 1/2 inch bolt, threads on one end. I'm going to cut the head off. Well, here's the final product. So what I ended up doing was cutting that bolt down to length, leaving the threads on one end. And the guy who had a video on there already, he said his kept breaking. So instead of refabbing the whole thing, cut that bolt down. That's a heavier grade of actually stainless. And I put a stainless sleeve over top. There's a weld underneath that joined the two bolts, and then I welded the sleeve down on top. I know my welds aren't pretty, but they work, so that's the way I do it. So I hope this helps. Cost in this is about $3 instead of 50 bucks for the new part. Should work fine. There it is, installed back in the mower. Working like a charm.